Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn 18 types of citrus fruit in Mandarin Chinese. You will learn the pronunciation and the Chinese characters fast and easy. Let's get started. Citrus fruit in Mandarin Chinese. 柑橘类水果柑 tangerine mandarin 橘 orange type citrus, small oranges. 类 category or type. 水 water. 果 fruit. 柑橘 citrus fruit, the citrus family. 水果 fruit, citrus fruit. 柑橘类水果柑橘类水果 bergamot in Mandarin Chinese. 佛手柑 佛 Buddha 手 hand 柑 a type of citrus fruit. 佛手柑 literally means Buddha's hand citrus, describing the fruit shape like a hand with many finger-like sections. It often used for fragrance, decoration, and traditional culture symbolizing blessing and good fortune. 佛手柑佛手柑 blood orange in Mandarin Chinese. 血橙血 blood 橙 orange 血橙 literally translates to blood orange, referring to the fruit with deep red flesh. 血橙血橙 citron in Mandarin Chinese. 橘园香园橘 a type of plant used in some plant of fruit names. 园 citron tree, citron fruit. 香 fragrant. 园 citron. 橘园橘园香园香园 calamansi calamondin in Mandarin Chinese. 酸橘酸 sour acidic. 橘 tangerine, so 酸橘 means a sour mandarin. 酸橘酸橘 clementine in Mandarin Chinese. 小柑橘小 small or little. 柑 meaning Mandarin orange. 橘 meaning tangerine or orange. So the whole phrase 小柑橘 literally small mandarin or tangerine. 小柑橘小柑橘 finger line in Mandarin Chinese. 指橙指 finger. 橙 orange or citrus fruit. 指橙 sour citrus lime family. 指橙指橙 grapefruit in Mandarin Chinese. 葡萄柚葡萄 means grape. 柚 means pomelo citrus fruit. Literally meaning grape-like pomelo. 葡萄柚葡萄柚 Alternative name sea 柚 sea waxed 柚 pomelo. Literally means waxen pomelo. 西柚西柚 Kumquat in Mandarin Chinese. 金桔金gold 桔 tangerine or citrus. So 金桔 literally means golden citrus. 金桔金桔 Lemon in Mandarin Chinese. 柠檬 First word 柠 meaning a tree used for fragrance or citrus type plants, used mainly in citrus fruit names. 芒 meaning a type of citrus tree or fruit used only for lemon related words. So combined meaning 柠檬 means lemon, literally a type of citrus tree or fruit. 柠檬柠檬 lime in Mandarin Chinese. The most common word is 青柠 青 means green. 柠 comes from lemon. So together 青柠 means green lemon. There's another word 酸橙 酸 means sour. 橙 means orange. So 酸橙 means sour orange. Now you know two ways to say lime in Chinese. 青柠酸橙 Mandarin orange in Mandarin Chinese. 甘子 甘 usually refers to Mandarin type citrus, often sweeter, softer, easier to peel. 子 there's no meaning in here. It's a noun suffix. 甘子甘子 Orange in Mandarin Chinese. Orange in Mandarin is 橙子 橙 meaning orange, the fruit, also refers to the color orange. 子 meaning a noun suffix, often used for fruits or small objects. So 橙子 literally orange plus noun suffix. Pomelo in Mandarin Chinese. 柚子 柚 means pomelo. 子 it's a fruit ending like noun suffix. So 柚子 simply means pomelo. 柚子柚子 Satsuma Mikan in Mandarin Chinese. 蜜柑 蜜 honey sweet honey light. 柑 tangerine or mandarin type citrus fruit. 蜜柑 honey sweet mandarin. 蜜柑蜜柑 tangerine in Mandarin Chinese. 橘子橘 usually refers to tangerine type citrus. Slightly firmer, sometimes more fragrant, and may have more seeds. zi, there's no meaning here. It's a noun suffix. 橘子 橘子 Tangerine in Mandarin Chinese. 橘柚 橘 refers to tangerine type citrus. 柚 meaning pomelo. 橘柚 together literally tangerine pomelo, often used to describe hyper citrus fruits like tangerines, or in some contexts just to list both types of citrus. 橘柚橘柚 Ugly fruit in Mandarin Chinese. 丑橘丑 ugly. 橘 tangerine or Mandarin type citrus. This name matches the English idea of ugly looking citrus. 丑橘丑橘 Great job! Now you know 18 citrus fruits in Mandarin Chinese. If you found this is helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in next video.